Hey y'all, so I know y'all are wondering what my boy Marky Mark sent me as a Facebook intern being remote. And I'm super excited to show y'all what I got because I don't even know what I got. So I'm just assuming that it's gonna be some good stuff in here. Buddy, please stop. Stop. The people are trying to figure out what we got. Alright? Chill. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. But calm down. Okay. By the way, my name is Tiffany. Hey girl Tiff, if you know me on socials. But yeah. So without further ado, woo! So first things first, right when you open the box, you get this cute little note, them telling me that I'm the best intern in the world, of course. Check. So this card is, it's a gift card that allows interns to redeem, I believe it's money maybe, because you do a scratch off, but you're able to give, hold up. Oh, so you're able to give to a nonprofit. This is super cool. I love this. It's great for people who like to do volunteer work and to feel like they are doing more for the world. I absolutely love this idea. Super cute. Next, what we got? Ooh, okay. This, I don't know what it is, but it looks like something I'll like. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay, it's multiple things. Let me give y'all a little view. Okay. Oh, okay, wait. They're like little Post-it cards that I can color on. That is so cute. I want to color. Don't y'all want to color? Okay, so these are little cards. What's up next? Okay. It's a cutout. Hold on. This is cute. Okay, thumbs up. We like it. Next, okay, I got a yo-yo that says Facebook. Wow, how innovative, guys. Oh, sorry, my nails might look crusty, but that's because I was eating cherries and the cherries stained my fingernails. So no, I don't have crusty nails. But anyways, next, pins. Don't we just love pins? One says vote. One says proceed and be bold. I will, don't worry. And then the other one is just a computer. Super cute. Love that. Hey, not a deck of cards. This says Facebook intern on them. I'm not sure if y'all still like playing, card games, but there's a game called King's Corner, and my cousins from Gonzales, Texas, they taught me how to play this game, and it is so much fun. Highly recommend looking up how to play it because it's a pretty fun game. But next up, a Rubiks Cube. Okay. But anyways, we love a good Rubiks Cube for me to exercise my brain. So this is just a little postcard. Super cute. So cute. Okay. And then what we got? Some cordless earphones. Y'all. First of all, this is just a side note. I love Apple. Don't get me wrong, but I'm not willing to spend $200, $300 on earphones knowing that I'm going to lose them. So you know what I did do? I went to TJ Maxx, my favorite place in the world, and bought some $25 earphones. They work beautifully. Like, these are so freaking bomb. Like, stop. If you don't want to pay $200 for earphones, you don't have to. Like, go and get you some ones, I'm sure, just like this. Now, these ones, I don't know if they cost $25, but the ones at TJ Maxx, they definitely do. So, just to put y'all onto some gems. But anyways, we got La la la. We got cordless earphones. Okay, okay. Oh, wait. Y'all know how I said that I didn't have no color pencils? Well, now I do. Look at that. An assorted, what does that say? Intern 20 from 21 home. How cute. Yes. Now I have color pencils. Okay. Ginger ale solves it all, honestly. Okay, next up, I have, this is super duper cool. It's a tie-dye DIY kit with 18 different colors. And I can tie-dye a shirt. Speaking of shirts, I have, it looks like 3 shirts in here. Let's see. I'm guessing this shirt right here. This shirt right here looks like they were wanting us to tie-dye. Oh my gosh, what does the front say? It says, this journey 1% finished. Yes, that's true, 1% finished. It says International Service Week. That's super cute. Intern Community Connections 21. Ah, yay. Definitely gotta do a video over me tie-dyeing my shirt because I've never tie-dyed a shirt before. So if y'all have any tips for me, let me know because I don't want to, accidentally tie-dye everything that is not supposed to be tie-dyed. Next up we got, let's see. Bring them out. We got another shirt. And I don't know what it says. Intern and be bold. I think that's what it says. Intern and be bold. Yes, baby, yes. Intern. If you're like feeling not qualified, then do it. That's the advice I have. So the next not okay. Let me. Woo! Boy, COVID. This is so cute though. Ah! Look at that. Okay, I know this is kind of like difficult to see maybe because it's like white on white, but it's a cute sweatshirt, y'all. And this sweatshirt, it just says Facebook and it has all of the little Facebook icons and it's mine. Like, too good. Wow. And y'all, it's thick too. So Mark definitely spent his coins for me. No, I'm just playing. But anyways, thank y'all so much for watching. So I just want to reach back and get y'all and bring y'all up to speed and hopefully help y'all get onto this journey because it's surreal. I can't even believe it. But I'm realizing that, I belong here. You belong here if you want to be here. So yeah, like let's get it. Bye.